Hey guys, it's Marshall James. Welcome to my channel. I'll be unboxing the Tecno Spark 5 in today's video. Tecno is a premium brand company who tends to come out with new devices as the day goes by. And the Spark 5 AI camera technology is here to appeal users looking for a power-packed smartphone at an accessible price. But before we dig in, if you're new to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon close to it in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Without much talking, let's particularize. On opening the box, you're welcome with the bright colors plastic covering written Tecno Spark 5 with the phone inside. The covering houses some of the specifications of the phone. On to the next is the owner's 12+1 month warranty card. That aside, next is the silicone case. It's appealing. Going further is your earpiece, your micro USB charging cable, your 10 wax charging brick, and finally is the same injector pin located at the top corner side of the box. The Tecno Spark 5 looks clean and appealing with a rubberized material for the back covering, but on the front is your 6.6-inch dot display glass, and the phone weighs about 191 grams. On the top of your phone is clean with nothing on it. On the right hand side of the phone is the volume up and down rocker with the power button having a red coating on it which appears cool. On the left hand side of the phone is your dual nano SIM slot with a space for your SD card, and beneath your phone is where you can find your 3.5 headphone jack, a speaker grills, and a micro USB charging port. And lastly, on the back of your phone, which has the 4 well arranged camera with different functionalities, a quad flashlight, fingerprint scanner, and the Tecno branded name as well. The Tecno Spark 5 has an IPS LCD display with a 6.6 notch screen size, a 720 by 1600 pixel resolution, which offers a great display. The device is powered by a quad-core at 2 GHz Cortex A53 processor, and it runs on the MediaTek Helio P822 chipset, 110 iOS 6.1, and it comes with 2 GB of RAM and 2 GB of internal storage. I did some shots with the camera to see how it performs. The device comes with a 8 megapixel selfie camera with a dual flash. The rear camera has a 13 megapixel focus, 2 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel depth, and making video 1080p at 30 frames per second. This is the outcome of both the front and the rear camera, and I would say that this is not bad for a smartphone at the mid-range. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys about the battery capacity. The phone has 85,000 battery capacity, which is supposed to last for 3 days according to Tecno, and still keeping the Tecno Power 4, the battery king, which has a 6,000 battery mark. Okay guys, this device goes for a 52,000 naira in Nigerian currency, and I think it's actually a good buy. That was it for today's video guys. Let me know what you think about the device in the comment section. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and please also share the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one. Bye.